Hello everyone and welcome to Travel Media Group's 5 and 5. My name is Ryan Embree, Director of Marketing here at Travel Media Group. In today's topic, we are going to be talking about how to build your hotel's online review response voice. We know how critical review response has been, especially over the last couple of years, helping guests set expectations for the guests that are coming in, helping our travelers know our competitive advantages and why they should pick our hotel versus the hotel down the road, and most importantly, responding to the guest that's leaving you such great feedback to help improve the guest experience at your hotel. And building your hotel's online voice really starts with the intro and signature. Now the key here is consistency. How do you want to open that? Do you want to use the username? Do you want to use the first name of the guest if applicable? And who wants to sign off on the review response, whether they've responded or not? Some of our hotel partners prefer the GM, some of the front desk manager, but the key at this step is consistency. From there, we want to decide on a tone, right? So I call this the hey or hello. Very different ways to greet someone. More laid back tone with the hey, could be a beach hotel. What type of vibe and message are you trying to communicate about your guest experience? Or do you want a more buttoned up professional look? So there is quite a large spectrum that we see there in the tone, but it needs to be consistent and decided upon at the property level. Next, something that's not really going to change as much. Policies, right? So I put pet policy here, your check-in, check-out. Some of these policies that might be able to be explained over review response is a great way to start setting expectations and avoid any unexpected surprises from the guests that are coming to the property. Now, something that will change is your renovation and your updates, right? There's nothing worse than coming in and seeing that the pool's being renovated and you had no idea, or even an elevator being down. So these need to be very versatile and updated on a regular basis. Breakfast, we've seen some people are still doing the grab and go breakfast, whether COVID restrictions or because of staffing issues. Some are back to the full buffet. So this is a great place to update those notes and use this when you're responding to reviews, when they bring up things like the pool or breakfast, parking, things of that nature. And finally, general information, right? So this is, again, info or data that might not be changing as often about your property, but it is somewhere that you should share all of your competitive advantage. So what do you do better than your competition? This is the place you want to share that and make sure it's being marketed and advertising using review response. And that's what our professional team of review response writer is so good at. Whether it's competitive advantage on amenities, cleanliness, staff, all of this can be communicated in this general info section. So these are the 5 segments of building your hotel's online voice. But just like this house right here, TMG's Respond and Resolve review response solution has you covered, right? We've responded to just over 1 million reviews and are on our way to our next million. We are helping hotel partners across the country not only respond to their reviews professionally, but uniquely crafted. And getting a lot of great data from that feedback that guests are leaving us. So if you're interested in learning more about Respond and Resolve, please reach out to us. Again, my name is Ryan Embree, and I'll thank you for watching TMG's 5 and 5.